Howdy folks. Today I'm gonna try a new Amaro, not a new Amaro, an Amaro I've never had before, that I just got recently. We're gonna try it 4 different ways, including a kind of a newish way that I never heard of before. Let's give it a whirl. Okay, the Amaro I got is this. It is La Valdotaine. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. La Valdotaine. La Valdotaine. It is Amaro Dente Di Leone. Now, Dente Di Leone will mean dandelion. Anyway, it looks pretty good. It wasn't too expensive, $40 maybe, and it comes in a 1 liter bottle. It is 32.6% alcohol by volume. So that's, what is that, 65.2 proof. So not super high, but a little higher than some. Let's give it a try. Now, the 4 ways we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna try it straight, room temp, as the normal way. I'm gonna put it in a soda, Amaro and soda, delicious. I'm gonna try Amaro Caldo, which is something I was told about recently that's pretty fun. Basically just Amaro and hot water. And then I'm gonna try a new thing called Shakerato, which was on Punch Drink, and some loyal viewers told me about as well, where you shake it, basically reverse shake it with some ice, and it's supposed to like foam up real nice and taste good. So we're gonna give that a try too. But first, let's just pour a little and see what we think. Boop, boop. And it's a medium brown color, not super dark. It's got a lot of those classic Amaro aromas. I always get a lot of like caramel, like a lot of, you get the sweet flavors come out on the nose, I feel like. It's good. Oh, it's a little bit minty, a little bit of like eucalyptus. I think of it as like an alpine kind of flavors. Definitely got some licorice, some like aniseed. They actually do list the ingredients, but they're all in Italian, and so I'm not sure what they actually mean. They also got some Latin names on here, but definitely Sambuco is like a licorice flavored thing, and Absinthium, I believe, is wormwood, where they get absinthe, the name absinthe from. Anyway, I can put a link down below to their website and stuff if you want to check that out. But it's good. It's like a eucalyptus mint kind of vibe. Maybe like a little less sweet of a Braulio, if you ever had Braulio. Sort of a light citrusy kind of flavor. Sort of medium bitter. Yeah, not bad. Let's try it on some soda. I'm gonna do this as like a going forward, as if I'm trying a new Amaro, is do these 4 ways if this works out and you guys like it. Do this as the 4 different ways just to have a baseline of see what's good and what works in which formats, if you know what I mean. Let's try this. Okay, watered down soda water. I mean, it's refreshing. It hits you, the bitterness hits you more. It is more bitter this way. I mean, that's okay, but I'm not in love. This one may not be the one to drink on soda. Let's go to the hot version. This is something I recently heard about as just it's kind of like having a toddy. It's just Amaro and hot water. It's nice on a blustery day. Today's pretty dark and rainy. It's really nice to have it this way. It's nice. It's bracing. It's really nice with an orange peel in there. Gives it a, I don't know, a nice, you know, orangey, citrusy sort of aroma in your face quality. Yeah, like a hot drink, you really, it shoots those aromas right up your nose. I like that. A nice, a more bitter sort of hot drink. It's pretty nice. I can get into that. Yeah, dope. Now for the Shakerato, I just put 2 ounces in a shaking tin. I put a couple of ice cubes in, gave it a quick shake, and then I strained the ice out and shook it again. I'm trying to get a foamy texture on this Amaro. We'll see how it goes. Now the Shakerato method is what they're calling it, where you would shake up on ice. I guess it started in Italy with coffee, where you would shake coffee on ice, like an espresso with ice, and shake it up, get a nice little foam on it. They started doing it with Campari, apparently. Working with this, it doesn't seem to work with this. It's supposed to have a nice little foam layer that sticks around. This foam layer did not stick around. It lightened the color a bit, not a ton. And I mean, it tastes good. I wouldn't say it's much different than the regular version. So, I'm a little disappointed in this Shakerato version. I was kind of excited to try it, but I guess different Amari react differently to the method. So we're gonna try some more in the future. Next time I have an Amaro to review, we will do the Shakerato again, and we'll see how that goes. Now I'm gonna say this Dente Di Leone is pretty good on its own, just as a sipper. I don't really know of any cocktails that it goes in. It isn't like a classic that's called for. So it's more of a sipper. You could probably use it in place of Chinar, maybe. You could probably, it's not really as bitter as Fernet, but you could probably come up with some uses for it if you wanted to. And I probably will at some point. I do like it hot though. It's sort of sufficiently bitter to stand up to some hot water. Yeah, that's nice. In soda water, it's okay. You know, nothing, not spectacular. This is not one that I've heard of a lot. Can you get this Amari where you live? Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, if you like it. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time. Don't be a stranger.